Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, we have two semicircles and the diameter of these two semicircles are 4. We need to calculate this blue area. How can we solve this? First, we draw this line which divides the required blue area into two equal parts. Let this area is A and this area is B. Then the required blue area is equal to A plus B, but A and B are equal, so the required blue area is equal to 2A. How can we calculate A? We draw this line and this is the radius of this semicircle, which is 2. Now the required area A will be equal to area of this quarter circle. So the area of this quarter circle is 1 by 4 pi r square, and r is 2, so 2 square, and minus the area of this red triangle, and the area of this red triangle will be equal to half 2 into 2. 2 is the radius of this semicircle. 4 will be cancelled with this, so pi minus 2. So A is equal to pi minus 2. The required blue area will be equal to 2A. So 2 pi minus 4. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.